Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the host file is not working on Windows, then please watch this video. Now, I will stick to two solutions only, even though you might find more than a dozen on other channels and websites, because the first solution is a network reset. So, when you are resetting the network, you are resetting the WinSock, you are flushing the DNS, you are releasing the IP, you are renewing the IP. You're basically resetting the entire network, which means nothing else is going to be left. So, first of all, reset the network. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the network and internet tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select advanced network settings, click on network reset, click on reset now, and finally click on yes. The next solution will be to disable proxy, because when you reset the network, it resets everything except for the proxy. So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command inetcpl.cpl and hit enter. Now go to the connections tab, select LAN settings, make sure that automatically detect settings is checked and use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked. Okay, click on OK and apply and then on OK. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.